Here's a balanced look at 10 of the best diets and 10 of the worst diets, based on scientific research, sustainability, safety, and effectiveness for long-term health. 10 best diets, based on health, sustainability, and scientific backing. These diets promote balanced nutrition, are generally safe, and can support long-term health and weight management. 1. Mediterranean diet. A focus: whole grains, fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, olive oil, fish, and moderate wine. Benefits: heart health, weight management, anti-inflammatory, longevity. 2. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Diet focus: reducing sodium, emphasizing fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Benefits: lowers blood pressure, supports heart health. 3. Flexitarian diet. A focus: primarily plant-based with occasional meat and fish. Benefits: supports weight loss, improves metabolism, sustainable. 4. Mediterranean intervention for neurodegenerative delay diet, mind, focus, brain health, combination of Mediterranean and diets. Benefits: reduces risk of Alzheimer's and cognitive decline. 5. Whole30. A focus: elimination of sugar, alcohol, grains, dairy, and legumes for 30 days. Benefits: identifies food sensitivities, improves eating habits. Note: not ideal for long-term but good as a reset. 6. Nordic diet focus: whole foods, fatty fish, root vegetables, whole grains. Benefits: weight loss, improved cholesterol, anti-inflammatory. 7. Volumetrics diet. A focus: low-calorie, high-volume foods, fruits, vegetables, broth-based soups. Benefits: promotes satiety, supports weight loss. 8. WW, formerly Weight Watchers, focus: portion control, balanced eating, community support. Benefits: proven for long-term weight loss with flexibility. 9. Plant-based diet focus: whole, minimally processed plant foods, may include small animal products. Benefits: reduces chronic disease risk, heart healthy. 10. Intermittent fasting, time-restricted eating, focus: eating within a specific window, e.g., 16:8 method. Benefits: can improve insulin sensitivity, support weight loss. Note: not suitable for everyone, especially those with disordered eating history. 10 worst diets, based on health risks, unsustainability, and lack of scientific support. 1. Carnivore diet focus: eating only animal products. Risks: lacks fiber, increases cholesterol, potential nutrient deficiencies. 2. Very low-calorie diets, VLCD, focus: extreme calorie restriction, often less than 800 calories/day. Risks: muscle loss, gallstones, metabolic slowdown, nutritional deficiencies. 3. The tapeworm diet focus: consuming tapeworms for weight loss. Risks: extremely dangerous, can cause severe organ damage and death. 4. Cotton ball diet focus: swallowing cotton balls soaked in liquids to feel full. Risks: choking, intestinal blockage, nutritional starvation. 5. Cabbage soup diet focus: eating mostly cabbage soup for rapid weight loss. Risks: unsustainable, nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss. 6. Master cleanse, lemon detox diet, focus: drinking lemon water with cayenne pepper and maple syrup. Risks: starvation, muscle loss, electrolyte imbalance. 7. Human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, diet. A focus: the HCG diet involves taking a hormone made in the body during pregnancy and following a very low-calorie diet/extreme calorie restriction, 500 calories/day. Risks: dangerous, no solid evidence of effectiveness, potential heart problems. 8. Baby food diet focus: replacing meals with jars of baby food. Risks: lacks adequate calories and nutrients for adults, unsustainable. 9. Breatharian diet focus: belief that one can live without food and survive on sunlight and air. Risks: fatal if seriously attempted. 10. Alkaline diet focus: eating foods to alter body pH. Risks: scientifically flawed as the body tightly regulates pH regardless of diet, misleading claims. As always, before embarking on any diet, it is important to speak to a medical professional who understands your health journey and will be able to guide appropriately. A balanced diet is the best way of eating as it allows your body nutrient requirements to be met. Thank you for watching.